When we study about the coordination chemistry class 12, then we find that if we detail about the coordination complex compound, then we find that the 6 terminologies, then we find that coordination number, coordination space, central metal ion, ligand, primary valency and secondary valency. This is discussed about the one by one. Total number of 6 terminologies it is clear that by this example 1 hexaamine cobalt third chloride, then we find that coordination number are those number of ligand which is directly attached to the central metal atom. In this compound, total number of 6 ligand attached to the central metal atom. For this reason, this complex compound have a total number of coordination number equal to 6. Second terminology, coordination sphere. If we study about the coordination sphere in coordination complexes, then we find that it is breakdown 3Cl minus. Then we find that coordination sphere are those sphere in which central metal ion and coordination sphere are those regions in which total number of ligand directly form the coordinate bond to the central metal ion is enclosed by the square bracket is known as coordination sphere. And third terminology is central metal ion. Central metal ion or atom are those metal or ion in which ligand directly form the coordinate bond is known as central metal atom. And fourth terminology is ligand. Fourth number terminology is ligand. Ligand are those ion, negative ion or positive ion or neutral ion which have lone pair of electron. In example, first hexaamine cobalt third chloride, then we find that NH3 molecule act as a ligand. This is because of if the draw the structure of NH3 molecule, then we find that nitrogen have one lone pair of electron, one lone pair of free electron which donate the central metal atom at result to form the coordinate bond. This is known as ligand. And the fifth terminology is primary valency. Primary valency is also known as oxidation number of the central metal ion. If we break down the hexaamine cobalt third chloride complex compound, then we find that CONH3 whole 6 coordination sphere 3 plus 3Cl minus. Then we find that cobalt the charge above the coordination sphere is denote the primary valency of central metal atom. This is also known as oxidation number of the central metal ion. And the sixth number of terminology, the secondary valency. Secondary valency is also known as coordination number of central metal ion. It is discussed about in the first point. Suppose that shows the coordination number. This square bracket shows the coordination sphere. Cobalt molecule, cobalt atom is a central metal atom which have a vacant d orbital, and in this compound NH3 act as a ligand which have a lone pair electron. Total number of ligand is directly form the coordinate bond to the central metal atom is also known as secondary valency. If we break down this molecule, the 3+ charge is denote the primary valency. It is equal to the oxidation number of central metal atom. Thank you.